Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's Terry and today we're going to be doing some winter and Christmas nail art. I know it's early, but I got some colors sent to me from Madam Glam, some gel polish colors, and I thought of winter and Christmas when I saw the colors, or when I picked out these colors. So I have 3 nail art designs I'm going to do with these 4 gel polish colors I was sent. So we have this gray, it's called Taste of Iron. We have a blue, which is called Perfect Blue. And I'll show you the other colors later. So this gray has really great coverage on the first coat. I am using my full color nail tips, but I still think this would be very opaque if you use this on your natural nail. The color is very smooth, it applies evenly. It's like this really nice medium gray cream color. So I applied 1 coat of that to all the nails. And now I'm taking this Perfect Blue and putting a little dollop of it on my little palette here. And I'm taking this little sponging tool that I got from Amazon. I will try to link everything I used in this video in the description box. So be sure to check out the description box. I also have a discount code where you can receive 30% off of any Madam Glam nail polishes, and this is not an affiliate link, it just gives you 30% off. Now I'm taking this little sponging tool and kind of dabbing it in the blue polish. You only need a little bit, and I'm tapping it at the tip of the nail and working my way up. I kind of want it to be a little bit darker at the tip, so I'm starting at the bottom, tapping my way up, and then I'm going to turn the sponge thing to the side where there's no polish and kind of blend that out a little bit as best as I can. Then I cured that, and this is the second coat. I'm just repeating that same step. I'm adding a little bit of gel polish on the sponge and dabbing it up the nail, and then turning the little sponge applicator tool to the side where there's no gel polish and kind of like excuse me, and kind of like fading the polish out. Hope that makes sense, but just look at the video and hopefully you can see what I'm doing. I just don't want it to be like a stark line between the gray and the blue. So I cured it, and you know the gel polish has a little sticky inhibition layer. Is that what it's called? I'm not sure. It has a little sticky layer from the gel. So I'm just taking some holographic glitter. I got this from Twinkled T. And again, I'll try to remember to link everything in the description box. And I'm taking just a nail art brush that I don't really use and just dipping it in the glitter and tapping it on the nail. I don't want too much glitter, so when I tap the glitter, it's just going to, you know, slowly disperse the glitter out on the nail. Next, I'm going to be doing some nail stamping on top of this base. So I'm using a stamping polish from Maniology. I also have a discount code for Maniology if you're interested in that. 10% off. That is an affiliate link. Check the description box for that one. So I have the stamping plate from Bunny Nails. I'm not sure if she still sells stamping plates. This plate I got like back in 2015 or something like that. So it's really old, but it has these really cute what are these called? Snowflakes. It has this really cute snowflakes on it. And the stamping polish is like kind of like a frosty lavender color. It looks gold on the screen, but it's actually like a lavender metallic looking color. And I'm just scraping different snowflakes and just placing them randomly on each nail. The stamping polish is just a regular stamping polish. It's not a gel stamping polish. So after I apply it, I'm just tapping the polish down, making sure it looks good on all of the areas. After I was done with that, I think I applied like 1 coat of base coat on top of this just to kind of smooth out the glitter a little bit more before I apply the top coat, because I don't want the nail to be bumpy. So I applied a thin layer of base coat on top of the stamping and on top of the glitter. Then I cured that, and then I went ahead and applied a glossy top coat. This design was inspired by a picture I saw on Pinterest. So I'll put who this was inspired by in the description box, because, you know, I didn't come up with this idea, but I saw it on Pinterest and I thought it was a really cute winter design. Alright, so the next two polishes I received from Madam Glam is this deep emerald, which is, it kind of looks jelly-ish, but it's kind of like a jelly, really, really dark emerald green color. I don't know if it's supposed to be jelly. It just kind of looks jelly-ish to me when I applied it. But I was able to, I think I only applied 2 coats on this one, and it was like really good coverage in 2 coats. But really pretty, really, really dark emerald green, like almost black. It almost looks black in some lighting. This next color, I think it was Spice Me Up by Madam Glam. It's this really nice, like cranberry, wine, like scattered holographic. And I'm basically alternating the nails on this one. So I did 2 nails, this Spice Me Up, I think it's what it was called. 2 nails of that, and then 2 nails of Deep Emerald. And I'm going to do 2 nail designs with this one. And for the red nails, we're going to do some Santa Claus nails. And for the green nails, we're going to do elf nails. So pretty simple designs, both of these, but I think they're really fun and cute for Christmas. Again, I know it's early to be talking about Christmas, but I love Christmas and it will be here before you know it. So I'm getting a head start on these Christmas nail designs. And next I'm taking some white gel paint. This one is by Cocoist. And a thin liner brush that I think this liner brush is from Robin Moses. Yes, Robin Moses, one of her nail brushes. And I'm basically just drawing a straight line down the middle. I kind of wipe a little bit of the polish off on my fingernail to kind of get like my liner brush to be really thin, so I can have like the edges of the line really straight, well, as straight as possible. You've seen this nail design before. It's like a million people have done it, but this Madam Glam color just reminded me of Santa's jacket if it was sparkly, so that's why I did this design for this nail polish. And after you create the line down the center of the nail, I then create one line going down the tip of the nail, or going horizontal on the tip of the nail. And just draw the line and then fill that in, and then I cured that. I actually cured it in 2 steps. I did the vertical line, cured, and then I did the horizontal line and then cured, so I wouldn't mess anything up. Next I'm taking this black gel paint polish by Cocoist, and again with my liner brush I'm creating Santa's belt in black. So I'm just creating a horizontal line in the center of the nail. So I'm going to draw 2 straight lines and then fill it in completely with the black. And then I'm going to cure that in my lamp for 60 seconds. Also, if you have not subscribed to my channel, be sure to subscribe. I talk about all things nail art related. I do regular nail polish, gel nail polish, as well as dip powder and poly gel nails. And I talk about press-on nails because I do have a press-on nail business. I will leave my website in the description box if you would like to check out some of my press-on nails. And be sure to stay tuned for my Christmas press-on nails that will be releasing very soon. So I'm a little bit of a perfectionist when I draw my lines, so I like to make them as straight as possible, but you know, it's kind of hard to make a straight line, but it looks good enough. So after I cured that, I'm taking this gold polish. I can't remember the name right now, but I'll put it in the description box. This is by Dimension Nails. And it's this really pretty sparkly gold gel polish. And I'm just kind of outlining, well, making a square in the center. So between where the white and the black meets, I'm just creating a square to represent the belt buckle for Santa, and then doing like a little line in the middle of the square to finish the belt buckle off. And I'm going to cure that in my lamp. So after I cure the nail, I'm going to apply my Madam Glam top coat, cure again, and then I'm done with the Santa nails. So the next nail design is going to be the elf's jacket, the elf jacket. So next I just put a little bit of Spice Me Up, which is that sparkly red base that we use for the Santa nails. I'm putting a little bit of that on my palette, and I'm going to create the elf jacket nails. So again, I'm taking the same liner brush and creating these two curves kind of in the center, but on the bottom of the nail. And then I'm going to fill in those two curved lines with the red. And it probably would have been easier for me to fill in with the gel polish brush, but I wanted to do it the long way apparently. So I'm just filling that in. And this is going to tie all the nails together because I'm using, you know, some of the red polish from the other nails to create this elf collar. So after I'm happy with how that looks and it's all filled in and it's as centered as I can get it, I'm going to cure that in my lamp. So next we're going to create the belt, and you do this the same way that I did with the Santa jacket. Just create two horizontal lines in the middle of the nail and then fill those two lines in with the red polish. After I create the belt, I'm going to cure. I like to cure after I finish each step so nothing moves and everything stays put and looks great. Again, I'm taking Golden Jackal by Dimension Nails, and I'm going to create the little belt buckle. So I should have thinned out my lines before I started creating the belt buckle because the lines were a little bit thick, but that's okay. And just creating a square around the center of that red line, and then the little dash in the middle to create the little, I don't know what you call that little stick part. So after I cured the gold polish, I'm now applying the top coat, trying to make sure it gets into all the nooks and crannies. And here's the final look. We have our Santa coat nails and our elf coat nails. Alright, I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think of this nail design. Again, be sure to check out my website in the description box if you're interested in ordering press-on nails from me. You can sign up for my email list and receive a special discount. Be sure to like and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.